Hey Ryan, how many trucks do we have on order?
Let me check. Emergency sales manager meeting. Josie, grab the truck report. We've got a major situation on our hands. Josie, how many trucks do we have scheduled to land in the next 45 days?
We got about 98.
That's not good. We've got 50 trucks in stock right now. That means we're gonna have 150 trucks, 150 sets of running boards, and don't even get me started on the interest payments. Here's the plan. Dean's Truck Month starts today. Did you hear me? I said Dean's Truck Month starts today. How much is that trade-in bonus, Sean?
$2,500.
Top it up to $3,500. We need our number one salesperson on this.
Ryan Shell?
Nope. Price. Our number one salesperson is Price.
Truck month. Here we go again.